welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's episode is a continuation of our last episode of South Indian cuisine. In this episode, I'm going to share with you how to make idlis, uttapam and yummy coconut chutney. Let's have a look what we need to make them. Thank you. For making coconut chutney, we require 1 cup shredded coconut or desiccated coconut if you don't have shredded. But be mindful, if you're using desiccated coconut, just soak it in a water because it's really dry. Along with coconut, we need half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 to 4 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 piece of ginger and 1 green chili, and 2 whole dried red chilies. At first, we take our coconut in a jar. Add some salt to taste. Add ginger and green chili and add little water, but don't add too much of it. And then we crush it and make a smooth paste of it. Now we just pour it in a bowl. To give a nice texture to chutney, we are adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it well, and now we just preparing for the tempering, and for that I have added vegetable oil in a pan, followed by some mustard seeds. Add red whole chilies. Wait until mustard seeds sputters as usual, and now we're adding some curry leaves. This is our basic tempering, and which goes on top of our chutney, and our chutney is ready. Mix it well and ready to be served. Next video I'm going to share with you will be our uttapam, which I'm using the batter which I showed you in the last video, the same batter, but it is thicker in consistency, so don't add too much of water when you make uttapam or idlis. So, and also we don't have to spread it to the thin crepe which we did last time. And we just add vegetables of our choice. I'm just adding some onions, some tomatoes, some green chilies and some capsicum. You can also add some cheese on top of it. Just sprinkle a little bit of oil on the sides. I'm using non-stick tawa or griddle, so I don't need too much of oil on that. So it is nicely cooked from the bottom, as you can see. We'll just cook it from the top as well. And here we go. Our uttapam is ready. You can serve it with chutney or sambar, which I showed you in the last video. And the last one is idli, which I wanted to show you. So as usual, we take a steamer, and these molds I have for idli, and I have just greased them. In a greased mold, I'm pouring my batter, which is also thick in consistency as we used for uttapam. And now we cover it and cook it for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, my idlis are ready. And we let it cool down, and you will see that it will start coming off really nicely without sticking. But the tip is you have to cool it down before you take them out. Here we go. Enjoy today's South Indian feast. Thanks for watching. Thank you for giving overwhelming love and support to my channel. I highly appreciate it. If you like my videos and recipes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.